So there's some people who really want to keep their getting pregnant out of the office. They want to make this, again, not a medical thing. And so they may choose to do home insemination. And so commercial sperm banks will actually ship sperm to the house. The pregnancy rate is a little lower if you're doing a vaginal insemination, but certainly it can work. And so you take the little vial of sperm, it's a little teeny vial, and you warm it up. You can hold it in your hand, you can leave it sitting on the counter, and then you draw it up with a needle and a syringe. Take the needle off, and then you put the syringe into the vagina, and you just plunge the syringe, you squirt. And so that would be a home insemination with sperm from a commercial sperm bank. If you're using a directed donor, you can also do home insemination, and there are many people who get pregnant that we never meet, that never come to our office for consultation, and they're using fresh sperm. Again, we think it's really important, regardless of whether this is at home or in the office, to ensure that everybody is on the same page in terms of relationships, that there's potentially counseling involved, and certainly a contract, and appropriate screening, medical and for sexually transmitted infections. But you can take the sample again, draw it up in a syringe into the vagina, and squirt.